Sweetie, what are you doing?
Sorry, I just sneezed.
Sweetie, remember, you should always cover your mouth with your hand when you sneeze, like this.
But then the bacteria will get on my hands.
Yes, but you can wash your hands with soap and all the bacteria will disappear. If you don't close your mouth, the bacteria will get on the table, the pillow and other people.
Okay, I will close my mouth.